Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how to update your server names for your scripts. So let's say you have recorded your script on host1.com and you want to test your script on host2.com. So we have two ways to update the host name in your scripts. We can download the script and we can replace the values of your server, and you can update into your OctoPerf, or you can directly change your server in OctoPerf as well. So first, let me take the two scripts. So these are two scripts which have the same host. Let's say task incomplete. Here I'm using taskincomplete.com as an host server, and if you come back again, I'm using another script which has the home page of task incomplete. So both are having the same request here, same host name. So sorry, same host name here. So if you want to update a host name which should work for all the scripts, then open any of the script which uses the host name. Like my want to change my task incomplete to taskincomplete1.com. Now I'm using the script which is using the task incomplete. After opening that, go to the servers tab here. When you click on servers, Octopus will show the default value, what it was selected in that script, what the current script is using. So the current script what you opened is using taskincomplete.com. So now I want to change the host to taskincomplete1.com. Now after changing this, if you go to back your script, it was updated at taskincomplete1.com, and check the other script as well. So it will also updated to taskcomplete1.com. So if you change in one script, it will change in all the scripts with the same server which is already existing. If it is already using the same server you're using with your other script, it will also update. So yeah, if you want to add a new server which is not in your list, now I have three servers here. So if your server what you're going to use is not in your list, then you click on add button here, and it which will add a server details. You select the server and select the protocol or HTTP or HTTPS. Select the Octoperf, I mean the host name instead of Octoperf. I'm giving a now ebay.com HTTPS and 443 at port, and the connection time dot on response time dot for the server. And if you have any basic authorization required, so you can add the authorization types here. We have authorization types. We can add the authorizations for your request here, and you can save it. So as I don't have any authorization, as we don't need any authorization, I'm deleting this. So you can add this, and after if you are adding a new server which is not existing in your list, then you need to go for each and every request and you need to update it. You need to go to each and every in this way. Downloading a script and replacing with your JMeter and re-uploading is the best way of doing, instead of going for each and every request and updating your host name. So thanks for listening, friends.